IAS Vijay is making a splash in Tamil Nadu. It's his very first election and he looks set to win it. Vijay is leading in both the seats he contested from, Perambur and Tiruchi East. But beyond the numbers, there is something that's grabbing even more attention. A political debut that's rewriting the rule book. Since entering the politics in 2024, Vijay has not addressed a single press conference. No media briefings, no press interactions, not even one unscripted question and answer session with the reporters. During this entire campaign, his strategy has been consistent. Select rallies, massive public meetings, and direct engagement with supporters. Crowds, yes. Cameras, yes. Questions from the press, no. Now, here's what makes this stand out in India's political landscape. Even leaders known for being media shy like Naveen Patnaik, the late J. Jayalalitha and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have all interacted with the press at various stages of their careers. But Vijay appears to be taking a completely different path. CM in waiting without ever facing the press. So how did Vijay communicate with his voters? Large-scale state conferences, carefully structured speeches and social media platforms. No live questions, no spontaneous exchanges, just controlled messaging. How did this help him? 1. It helped to set the narrative. He controlled what people spoke about him. 2. There were no tough questions, embarrassing references, and so on. No questions, no stickiness. A political voice that speaks loudly to supporters, but silently to the press. It may be an electorally smart idea, but is it healthy politics? No, says the media. The Chennai Press Club and other journalist bodies have criticized limited press access at TVK events. They say reporters have been restricted and in some instances even manhandled. So, now that Vijay could be sworn in as Chief Minister, what happens? Will he talk to the press then? Or is this beginning of a completely new communication model in Tamil Nadu politics? After all, Modi has set the trend at the central level. Tell us, what do you think?